Hey guys, welcome back to my Saru channel, and today we are just gonna, oh my gosh, can y'all see me? Comment down below if y'all can't see me, or if y'all can't see me. So, if you didn't watch my, vlog yesterday, then you didn't see some of my backyard. Well, if you did, you saw some of my backyard, of course. What the heck was that? I am going to just go play outside, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So, this is my, backyard. It's not that good. Just that big hole from where we're gonna put in the pool. And my little cousin's in this video again. So, what we're gonna be doing is just rolling down hills, throwing baby dolls downhill, apparently. Yeah. Yay! How fun is that? I can't see me on the camera screen, so I don't know if y'all can see me or not. But let's go.
Chloe.
I think a bird just pooped on me. Oh my god, I think a bird just pooped on me. Ew! Ew! Oh my god. Emily, go get Kim.
Why?
Because a bird just pooped on me. Ew! This is so disgusting. A bird literally just pooped on me. I don't know if I can see that, but ooh. This is what my little cousin does to her baby dolls. So yeah. Oh my god, look. Can y'all see that bird? It's really close. So, while my little cousin is just gonna go get my mom for the bird pooping incident, I'm just gonna do some, just get to know me. So, if y'all haven't known already, I love anime. And probably my favorite anime that I watched, probably gonna be Glitter Force, definitely. Yeah, so here comes my mom. So, hopefully, I can't believe, like, a bird just pooped on me. Well, we didn't get to, do anything fun like that, but I don't know for sure, but I might post another video, today to just fill in for this one, because this went terribly wrong. A bird freaking pooped on me. Ew. So, bye guys, I'm sorry,